No houses, wide street. Clearly a commercial district of some kind.
Yes, thank you for that, Nathan. Come on. What do you see?
You just want to hear me say it, don't you?
Really want to hear you say it.
All right. Libertalia.
Libertalia! The long-lost legendary pirate utopia discovered after 300 years by one Samuel Drake. And his younger, slightly less charming brother who happened to be tagging along for the ride. You know, I always knew you'd make something of yourself one day.
Yeah, just so you know, it's not my first lost city.
You should just enjoy the moment. So where you want to start?
How about that building right over there?
Oh, you mean the one with the massive guard tower?
Yeah, I say we go see what it was guarding.
Works for me.
This is... I'm speechless. Holy goddamn shit, Nathan.
That's your idea of speechless?
God, how long do you think it took them to build this place?
Years. Decades, even. How the hell did they keep it a secret all that time? Hey, Sam, check it out. It's like a pirate code of conduct.
The whole point of this place was not having rules.
Well, even pirate ships had their own rules. Captain Avery. Was wondering when you'd turn up. Hey, there's that symbol again.
Oh, you've seen that too, huh?
Yeah, ways back before we met up. Who's marking these places? Is that another sigil?
No, not that I know of.
Maybe invaders? I mean, I'm sure these guys had plenty of enemies out there.
That's a good point.
This way, follow me. Hey, Sam, come here. This looks promising.
Bye-bye.
Looks like a hideout of some kind.
Yeah, but who would they be hiding out from? Themselves?
Look at this. Looks like the layout of the commercial district.
And boom, there's our treasury right there. See, there's the tower.
What were these guys up to? That's our way out of here. I see some light down below. Holy shit. Hey! I found more of the colony.
Think that's all of them.
Grab any ammo you can. That won't be the last of them.
You think they're looking for us or the treasure?
No and Rafe? Both. Crap, more shoreliners.
Looks like Rich Boy was right. Lekker.
See any more? Or are we clear?
I think we're clear.
You all right?
Yeah, just a little winded. Nathan, got some more friends up ahead.
Aina. This whole place is falling apart.
Pas op, man. It's an old building over the edge. Hey, you ever done anything like this?
Nah. Overthrown a couple of governments, looted villages. But this is something else.
Any news on the deal?
Yeah, some bridge collapsed. They're having to drive around the river. Come here, please.
Okay, gents, stay sharp. Keep this jaw nice and tidy for the boss lady.
Shit, watch it.
Where'd you go?
Say I lost them. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Shit!
Where'd they go? Hey, he's gonna kill us!
That's it.
No. Better keep moving.
How you doing back there?
Hell of a view!
Almost there, Sam.
Okay, now what?
Trust me and follow my lead, okay?
So, do all of that then?
Yeah, something like that. Definitely in the high-rent district now.
Not residential, though. You think some kind of administration building?
Probably. Maybe Libertalia had a zoning committee. Holy crap.
Well, I see our missing colonists. Some of them, anyway.
Jesus. Cannons, improvised barricades? What the hell happened here?
Some kind of battle.
It's a rhetorical question. The real question is who's fighting who? And why? Man, this is impressive.
To say the least.
Here we go.
Or not. You gonna give me a hand?
Yeah.